Spider-Man, Spider-Man. You are looking at one of the biggest Spider-Man fans ever. Since a kid, I've been in love with Spider-Man, and today is the day where I fully nerd out. At the time of recording this, this is the release day of Spider-Man 2 for PS5. I have the collector's edition, a controller, and the console. I went ham. I ain't gonna lie. I went crazy. I want to unbox it with y'all. So let's get off into it. Let's talk about it. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Read My Soul, and I'm back with another video for you. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's being blessed. Yes. Today I am going full nerd. I am sharing with y'all one of my deepest passions. I am a Spider-Man fan since a young kid. I've been in love with the Spider-Man comic book. I've been in love with the Spider-Man character. It's probably one of my favorite characters out of everything. Anything from the Sam Raimi movies to the recent Into the Spider-Verse with Miles Morales movies. I love them. I bought the Spider-Man PS4 edition. If you've watched this channel, you know I love Spider-Man. I've reviewed the shoes. I love Spider-Man. And if you are a Spider-Man fan, over the last few years, we have been getting fed. I mean, we should be morbidly obese with the amount of Spider-Man content, the amount of good Spider-Man content we have been giving in the last 10 years. I mean, oh my goodness, I have had my fill. The Sam Raimi movies are great, but the Spider-Man, the Marvel edition that Sony and Disney has worked on has been amazing. But today, we are here looking at one of my favorite pastimes, which is gaming. I love gaming, and today is the release of Spider-Man 2 for PS5, and I went hard. I'm not even gonna lie. First thing first, go get Spider-Man. Let's just first thing first. Go get Spider-Man 1, go get Spider-Man Miles Morales. If you have a PS5, go get it. It's one of the best games ever. From what I hear, Spider-Man 2 is even better than the first. So I have to get this over with so I can get this thing loaded up and I can play it because I am super excited. So today, the first thing we're gonna unbox is the controller. So before the Spider-Man release today, they released the controller, skin plates, and a console. I honestly didn't want to get the console. I really just wanted the skin plates, but the skin plates were extremely difficult to find. They sold out as every time, because if you think about it, you didn't have to buy a whole new console. All you needed was to buy the controller and the skin plates, and you basically had essentially this right here. So, you know, I was able to get the collector's edition, the controller, and the console. So let's open up this controller because I've been waiting to open this for months. Oh man, this is crazy, man. I've been waiting for this day for months. I'm like really shocked that it's finally here. Like I didn't ever think we was gonna get here. It felt like so long. Might keep this box. You know, my wife probably thinks I'm a hoarder. Not gonna lie, I probably am I'm low-key a hoarder. I'm not even gonna hold you. So the first thing we have here is the Spider-Man PS5 controller. As you can see, we have the symbiote suit taking over the Spider-Man costume. So we have that there. Oh yeah, boy. Now let's unbox the console. So as you can see here, we have the Spider-Man PS5 console. And you can see here, this is what the console looked like right here, and it comes with another Spider-Man controller. So I have two Spider-Man controllers, and if you stay tuned through the end of this video, I will be giving away a code of Spider-Man. I will be giving one of my loyal subscribers out there a code to Spider-Man. So if you want to play Spider-Man, stay tuned to the end of this video. I'll give you a way you can enter to get a free standard edition copy of Spider-Man, because I have the collector's edition. There's no reason for me to keep this copy. We have Miles and Spider-Man here fighting Venom. Oh man, I've been waiting for this forever. Shout out to GameStop. The guy at my GameStop held this one for me because they were selling out pretty quickly, and I was able to get one relatively easy. Oh man. Oh well, already ripped the box. That sucks. So we got the cables, we got another controller right here, So now we got 2 Spider-Man controllers, so me and my son won't have to fight over that. 2 Spider-Man controllers. Some manual information that we don't really look at, we don't really read. Don't really need that. We got a charge cable. So we got the power cable, the charge cable for the controller right there. We have the stand here, so some of the accessories. The HDMI right there. We got an HDMI cord, so we can get that 4K right there. So here we have it. There goes my voucher. Okay, we got the little voucher right there. So stay tuned to the end of this video. You can learn how to win a free copy of Spider-Man 2 for PS5. Oh, and there it is, baby. Woo, look at that thing, what? Yes, we have the special edition Spider-Man 2 PS5 console with the red and the symbiote taking over the red, and then we have the black Spider-Man on the back. So we're gonna put that right there. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. Look at that thing. I've been waiting for this so long. Oh yeah. Also, just for all my other gaming heads out here, I had to get something for my son. So we also do have Super Mario Wonder. Super Mario Wonder has come out today as well, and this is something that all of the family can play, so I definitely got that. I pre-ordered it from Walmart, and it came with some trading cards. So, you know, they have like a special, you know, edition trading cards, 1 out of 1,000. So I don't know if I'm gonna open these up and see, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I know my son's gonna like it, so I'm gonna wait for him to come and we're gonna open this up with him. But without further ado, let's get off into that 19 inches of Venom. Hey, who business this? We have it right here, baby. Yes. It was shipped yesterday and it got here today, day of release. I was a little concerned because sometimes the shipping in my area ain't the best. So, you know, I was kind of nervous. Didn't know if it would get here in time, but it did, and I'm super, super excited. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. As we can see here, we have the collector's edition of Spider-Man 2 for PS5. Yes, you can see that's the front right there. And then in the back, it shows you all that it comes with. We got that 19 inches of Venom right there, plus some pre-order perks and a steelbook. I've never done anything like this. I've never spent this much money before. This is crazy. I know y'all probably looking at me like, dang, buddy got money. Buying all of these shoes, stuff like that. Nah, I don't go out, I don't drink, I don't smoke. I just be in the crib, man, working hard for the family and chilling, you know? Okay. Gotta pull it out from the bottom. I think these are actually still available, so if you want one, you should definitely go ahead and grab one, man. I think it's well worth it, especially if you're a Spider-Man fan like myself. So we got a black box here with the black and white symbiote Spider-Man there. We're gonna lift this up. Spidey fart. Y'all can see I'm gonna try to keep it in the frame. Try to keep everything in the frame as best as possible. So we got some instructions on how to put the statue together, and then we have a steelbook right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. It's a steelbook with them fighting, and then the entire steelbook is the full-fledged scene. Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Peter Parker Spider-Man fighting Venom. The digital deluxe code is in here, as you can see. Have that there. No physical disc, but this is pretty cool. Let's get off into this 19 inches of Venom.
Pause again. Pause again, Granddad.
Oh man, I just want a Grammy. I like to thank my mama. I like to thank my wife. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I can't even show the whole statue because it's so freaking big. Oh my goodness. It's really sturdy, really heavy. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that thing there. I can't even show y'all the whole thing. But as you can see, it's Venom. Then we have the Spider-Man that we have to attach right there. We got the Peter Parker Spider-Man that we have to attach. This is so freaking cool. So then we have the Spider-Man Miles Morales right there doing a little Venom punch. So that's the trophy right there. Look at Venom. Look at that boy. Look at that boy, man. Look at your boy. So, okay, then we got the little thing till we can put together the Peter Parker Spider-Man. This is super cool. Oh my goodness. It's going into his shoulder. Oh, and there you have it, y'all. There you have it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to get y'all some close-ups of this, but this is my Grammy. This is my Grammy. I like to thank my mama. I like to thank my cousin, my brother. I like to thank everybody. I appreciate y'all, man. This is super, super dope, man. Oh my goodness. And as y'all can see, I got the next chapter Jordan 1s in there too in the background, just chilling. Just chilling. So this is a very Spider-Man, very gamer day, man. I am extremely happy, man. Gaming is another one of my passions. It's like hip hop, gaming, and sneakers is the things that I like to do. So I'm extremely happy. I would like to thank my mom for giving me the work ethic to be able to afford this. I would like to thank my wife for giving me the ability to buy stuff, because you know, wifey rules. If she say no, it's no. Yeah, man, look at that. Look at that thing. That thing is like, it don't even sit on the screen. Oh my goodness. And this box is like freaking nice. Oh my goodness, so much stuff, man. So yeah, we're gonna have to make room for that back there, man. We're gonna have to make some room, man. Spider-Man gonna have to go back here. Hold on, let's see if you can see it. Yes, sir. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up in the comment section. This has been the ultimate Spider-Man 2 unboxing, and I have an extra Spider-Man code. Now, if you want this Spider-Man code right here, comment, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I will be doing a random giveaway to all the people who comment, like, subscribe. You will be able to win you a free copy of Spider-Man 2. Comment your favorite Spidey movie, your favorite Spidey moment. Give me a comment pertaining to Spider-Man. Do you like the next chapters? Do you like Miles Morales? Did you play Spider-Man PS1? Leave a comment, and out of all of those comments, I will be giving this away in a week. So whatever this video does, whoever sees this video, if you want this right here, if you want this free copy of Spider-Man, you don't have to pay nothing for it. You can enter the game for free. You know, I believe that this game is a must buy, but if you don't want to buy it and you want to wait for a sale, leave a comment and you will be entered into a giveaway to win this free copy of Spider-Man 2 for PS5. Man, whoa. I mean, that was a lot. I've never done anything like that before. Hopefully y'all liked the video. I'm gonna do some close-ups of stuff here and there to show y'all everything that I got. I hope y'all enjoy it, because I definitely enjoyed unboxing everything, man. This is, man, I am super duper happy right now. Like, I just can't wait. I just can't wait to play the game. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't wait to play the game. So I ain't gonna edit this. I might edit this tomorrow. I might take a break tonight, edit it up tonight, get this out this weekend. So, you know, if you're enjoying the Spider-Man game, let me know. If you want to, like I said, enter to win, definitely enter to win. I'm gonna leave y'all with some B-roll footage. Spider-Man 2 is finally here. I'm happy. Yeah. Oh man, I'm super duper a big Spider-Man fan. So, see how long this video is? Oh, this video is like 20 minutes. I'm gonna try to edit it down a little bit better so y'all can see, you know, this experience with me. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment so you can be entered into the giveaway to win this free copy of Spider-Man 2. I always call it Spider-Man PS2. Spider-Man 2 for PS5. Right there, I have a download code for you. I appreciate y'all. Enjoy these B-rolls. Peace.